What the Tech is sponsored by Tennessee Wesleyan University Fort Sanders Nursing Department. Complete your bachelor's or master's in person or online. Learn more at tnwesleyan.edu/nursing.
Your mobile phone can take care of a lot of everyday tasks like taking pictures, sending texts, and getting directions.
And as easy as all of that is, it could even be easier with an app you probably have but never use. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker takes a look at what can be done using the Shortcuts app.
Shortcuts is pre-installed on new iPhones. It looks like this. If you don't see the app on your iPhone or iPad, you can download it from the App Store. What this app does is take some of the most complex things we often do with the iPhone and do them with just one tap on the screen.
So let's say when you leave work, you typically let someone know what time you'll be home. You listen to a podcast, open maps. Well, instead of doing all of those things step by step on your phone, a shortcut will do it for you.
Opening the Shortcuts app, tap on Gallery. These are some of the more popular and useful shortcuts. Using the Going Home shortcut, I can select a favorite podcast to start playing, get directions, send my ETA and a text to my wife. When my phone detects I'm leaving for work, the shortcut starts the podcast, opens Maps, and sends my ETA through a text message. This shortcut automatically starts a workout when my phone connects to the earbuds I wear at the gym. And this shortcut opens Amazon Music when I arrive at the gym. Here's one called Take a Break. It'll set an alarm and turn on Do Not Disturb whenever you ask Siri,
Take a break.
Okay, for how many minutes?
25.
Customizing these shortcuts takes a little bit of work, but you don't have to pay attention to all of those steps. Apple sets this up for you. If you want, you can add a shortcut to the home screen, but it's generally just a lot easier to ask Siri.
And there are tons of shortcuts in that gallery section of the Shortcuts app. Take a look there. Next time I'm going to show you some of my favorite shortcuts that I think you could find useful. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.